Alright guys, so not only did we pick up these air raids, which are slick, which I can't wear because it's only a size 9. The big deal is this Pioneer laser disc. Whoo! Elite, brother. $12.99. Just looked it up on eBay real quick, and there's got one in working condition for like $1,100, which is crazy. I knew this was gonna be worth something. I plugged it in the store. It did not turn on, but we're gonna get it home, see if I can tinker with it, look up what you can do, and I mean, either way, sell it for parts and a few hundred, 500, I don't know. Big money though. Y'all enjoy.